Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see someone's TikTok following even when it's hidden. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any profile, like I'm heading over to this one. And there's a following list. There's 6 person they are following and they have just hidden it due to its account's privacy settings. And as you know, if we just uh, private our account, people can't see our post. So this is the only way that we can't see anyone's following list if they have their privacy settings open or they have turned their account private. So yeah, that's the information we needed to tell you. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.